Okay, so it looks like it's streaming. Let's go into my YouTube channel. Oh, I actually don't want people to be able to see that. Whoops. Let's go back to my YouTube channel. Okay. Well, all right. Hey, this is actually really cool. So this is my first time live streaming, but it's cool to see people. Hey, how you doing? Daniel, I don't even know how to say these. Unwitchdig? I don't know. How's it going, everyone? Oh, I lost it. Hold on. There we go. So I want to keep this if I can, and then maybe I'll just make this smaller. So I can keep an emulator, keep an eye on the chat. That doesn't work, okay. Cool. How you doing? So today, a ton of people have been asking me what the best language is for them to start. So my plan for today is just to make a sort of survey app where people can answer questions, and I'll slowly narrow what the best language for them to do is. I'll be doing it in Flutter, so if you guys want to follow along, that's totally cool. Maybe you'll learn something, maybe you won't, but it'll be fun. And then if you've got any questions, just throw them in chat. Okay, so let's start by running this. So I don't know how familiar you guys are. You can let me know in the chat, but how familiar you are with Flutter. Pretty much every time when you start a new project, it'll look like this. It's just a basic counter app, and every time you click it, it increases it. So we're gonna pretty much destroy that. I don't even know how we're gonna do it, but we'll figure it out. I guess the first thing is we'll kind of make the logic. So I'll do it this way. Okay, maybe not. I'll throw it in Discord and you guys can follow along if you want. Let's make a based on their interests. So we can start, let's just make some directories. So we'll have a widgets. I'll check on the chat real quick. Oh, the delay. There's a ton of delay. Actually, so this is my first time live streaming. I literally, I'll look into that. I wish I knew how to fix that, but I'll keep an eye on the chat, and if I see any questions, I'll just answer them when I see them. Simple use state. Yes, sir. Doing the challenges. So I want to make it, and you guys can follow along or do it with your own language. But yeah, I think it'd be cool if you guys could. And I'll throw some more info in. So let's say you want to learn maybe that's not helpful. Maybe what I'll do is we can make a list of questions together, and then I'll post it in the chat for challenges for other people. So let's go ahead and do that. We'll do new directory, and we'll call this one actually, I don't need a directory for that. New Dart file, and I'll call this one question bank, and then new directory of models, and then in models we're gonna have Dart file, yeah. And we're going to call this one, and then this is going to be, actually no, it's just a class, it's not a stateless widget. So class, let's see this. What the heck? Oh gosh. See, the problem is I don't even know how to get rid of spam bots. Can I just remove their Yeah, it's cool. It's really cool that I'm like starting a live stream. But there's so many things that I don't know. So how do I? We'll see if I can maybe do that from YouTube. Let's just say all right, I guess I'll figure this out with you guys.
It's been said that the best way to predict the future is to create.
Hello, Fullsmith here. Today I have 4 tips that you can use to help protect your stream from getting taken over by a follow/chatbot. So if you've been streaming on Twitch for any period of time, you might have
This is really weird.
Oh, wow. Okay. So in general, there's something called a chatbot, and then there's also a follow bot, and sometimes, usually you'll get these things together. And these are always, for the most part, malicious. If you ever get hit by one of these, I strongly recommend that you report it, make sure that you clip it, and then send a clip to Twitch, and when you report, it'll help you out a lot. So what do you do when you're hit by these follow bots / chatbots? Today I'm gonna share with you 4 tips to help protect your stream from being taken over. So the very first thing is actually maybe the most simple thing, is to have your follow notification on a completely separate overlay. Most people will have a follow notification, something like this. And as you see, not only will it say something in chat, but also it'll have an audio notification. Now, this first tip is just an easy way to turn that off, because sometimes when you get hit by one of these follow bots.
Okay, that's not helpful. No, that's Twitch. All right. Yeah. For sure. Check Discord DMs. Okay. Although everyone's gonna see it, so yeah, I saw the bot. I just don't know how to get rid of it. You have to UA through. Okay, cool.
With Firebase hosting, you can upload and deploy your Flutter web app.
Let's see if it's in this. I think that worked. Hopefully that worked. Thanks for all the help, guys. This is... Hopefully that was enough. Is me LCN? What is that? A minute delay between what? The audio or between when you see your comment? So Waffle, is the delay like audio lag, or is it just between when you post a comment and then when you see it? Oh, okay. Let's see. Well, it's good. This is like the test before I start doing it. I've applied to stream on TikTok, but you can't do it through a computer through OBS until you have like you've done this weird application. So yeah, that's true. How many what should it take to learn Dart? Let's see. I'm pretty sure I can adjust the latency. I don't know if I can do it on the same stream. I may have to cancel the live stream and do a new one in order to update the latency. Oh. Okay, we got that. I can also maybe just do this. That looks so ugly. Let's see if there's a difference. Oh. Dude, I'm so lost. I'll figure it out. Thanks for helping me out, everyone. Okay, let's just do it this way for now. And that should be enough. Well, it would have been helpful if you still knew. Like encoding YouTube tutorials are friends. I'm not really sure the context for that. Okay, let's keep going. So it's actually been a while since I've like made my own thing. I'm kind of excited to start, but let's do this. And then we need a string, final string. We'll do question, data. Now I can either make it dynamic where it, like maybe some questions will only have 2 answers, some will have, you know, maybe 5 or something. I can do it where it's dynamic, or I can just static code in like answer 1. And then have different variables for each, and then maybe the first 2 are required. Because otherwise it's not really a question, it's just a statement. And then there could be more and you do null checks. Let's do it this way. I guess you'll have to declare a second thing. I'll do this for now. So then we're going to declare all these within questions. So, oh, whoops. Let's do this. And all of this looks wrong. Let's see why. I'll just do that for all of these. Okay, so everything should be good. And I still haven't changed the app that much. Let's check the chat again. If you know, can I open external app in C++? Let me know what you mean external app. Because I'm not really sure what you're asking. Yeah, okay, thanks for asking. Press edit button in YouTube Studio, there's a latency. Oh, wait. No, that's not it. Education, visibility public. Audience. Okay, I'm gonna keep looking for the latency. Okay, I'll check out these questions, and then I know how to do it in OBS, so I'll just restart the stream. External app is like an app that isn't in the folder when the compiled. Are you talking about like an API? Like I can show you some apps where, like I made a crypto. An app that just shows what the price of different cryptocurrencies are, and that one uses an API, so I'm not the one calculating, like doing that functionality. I'm just referencing the data that some other app gives me. Is that kind of what you're talking about with external app? Behind the pop-up. Oh, okay, yeah, I can't change it. Okay, so I'm gonna... Oh. Nabbing the source code from apps. You can do it. I mean, if you download the app, you should be able to just access the files. New question, how can I open external app? Yeah, I'm not really sure about that. Okay, I'm gonna end the stream and then jump on a new one once I fix the latency.